Hi there everyone, Cameron Hansen here with a fun unboxing for you for the weekend. So many of you know that Lean Strategies International LLC has quite a few online courses, and we're getting close to releasing the already popular Gemba methodology. We've got some pre-buys on it already, and I came home today and have this fun little box here from our friends at Adorama. And so we're gonna open this up and see what they sent us real quick. So get out our trusty knife. There we go, nice box. Protected very well. Of course, my address on here. Can you see it? Can you see it? And some packaging. Set that off to the side. So first thing we got here is some lens essentials, the filter kit, and we'll open those up also. This is a 52 millimeter. Put that off to the side. Next thing we got in there, another optics care cleaning kit. These things are really handy for your filter. You can see that they've got a nice little case on it. We'll go ahead and open that up later on. And then of course a tool for us to blow air inside the camera, keep all the dust off of it. Very cool. And this is what we've been waiting for. A brand new, the EFS 24mm STM by Canon. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. We'll open each of these up real quick and see what comes inside of them. Alright, four special gifts from our friends at Adorama. By the way, I was paid in no way to do this. I just strictly ordered off of them because they're an excellent vendor, great supplier. And I'll go ahead and open these up. Which one should we start with? Let's go ahead and take a look at this earpiece, because this one's pretty simple. Of course, it's sealed up here. Skew on the outside. Just a little tape. And oh, this is kind of handy. It's actually looks to be a little loop for us to carry this thing. Just a bracelet. I thought it was an earpiece, but it's definitely not an earpiece. I guess we could take it and put it in our ear, but that won't work. And next we got the lens essentials, our filter kit. This one's a 52 millimeter, and it just will help to reduce glare when we're taking photos and kind of level out the ultraviolet rays that the sun puts out. Get it out. Nice carrying case here. You can see it comes in a leather case. Very good. It's actually really comfortable. Feels really sturdy. We'll pop it open. Wraps up. And it's got a nice smell to it too, actually. You see there's the first one. That's the first filter. Absolutely clear. Here's the second filter. You can see that one's a little bit darker. So those will come in really handy when the light is changing. And it looks like here's the third one too, even darker. So those are very helpful. We'll go ahead and put those back in here. And we won't open up the optics care cleaning kit. I do have one of these already. It's a great kit by Pro Optic that they put out. And it works very well for cleaning. It comes with a little spray bottle, a nice little brush, and a great little package right there. So really easy to carry with you when you travel. Super simple and lean, just like we like it. So that's the Optics Care Cleaning Kit from Pro Optic. And I'll leave links for everything down in the description below. So if you want to get yourself a set of lens essentials, the filter kit or the Pro Optic kit there, just go down in the description and click on it. And this is what we're waiting for. So see in here, we just got the warranty. right there. Lens instructions. Cardboard. And here it is, packaged very well. Canon does a beautiful job. Box is wonderful, but let's look at this. Now if you look, this thing, at first just holding it, it's very sturdy, very strong. This is what you call a pancake lens, so it's really, really small. And you'll see it's a EFS 24mm, the STM, so it's absolutely silent when it's zooming in and out and focusing. And when you look at it, this thing is absolutely flat. And you can see just how small it is right there, but it gives that great view where things in the background are a little bit blurred, wider vision for short range stuff. And this will be perfect for some of our videos when we shoot in the office, and outside too will actually give a great view. But you can see it's just very sturdy, built by Canon. Of course on the side you can see right here, well, let's put the cap back on it. On the side here you get your settings for autofocus and for manual focus, and it's very small right here, super small. It's the only thing that moves, and you see if we take the backing off just how small and flat this 24mm is, but very sturdy. You can see it's got a metal backing on it. It's pretty strong. You don't want to go throwing it like a baseball, but what we'll do is you're seeing me right now with the standard 18-55 STM lens by Canon, and what we're going to do is go ahead and we'll pause the video and we'll switch it out for the 24mm, the STM. Okay, so we switched from the 18-55mm STM lens, and now we have the 24mm STM lens from Canon on it, the brand new one. And so you could probably see that the focus is much better on it. The back is a little bit different, but where you'll see the big difference is if I move things around. You can see how it grabs stuff much quicker. So one thing to remember about the EFS 24mm STM lens is that this can only be used with the Rebel series and the EOS digital cameras. It can't be used with anything else, so be sure to be aware of that. But this is a great lens to get if you have a price range. It's pretty cheap. I'll leave a link for it in the description down below. Solid build from Canon, very good focus as you can see here. The clarity is awesome on it, and if you want a perfect all-around lens for shooting, for video, for photography, the 24mm STM lens from Canon is a absolutely phenomenal lens. So we'll do a deeper review of it in comparison later on. But for now, this has been the unboxing of the EFS 24mm lens, the STM with the silent motor. So we'll be coming back at you with more reviews and unboxings later on, and show you some of the things that we use at Lean Strategies International LLC. And hopefully these tips, unboxings, and reviews can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the station down below, and if you liked this video and it was helpful for you, go ahead and hit the like button. And have a look down in the description, and I'll leave a link for all the products that we've taken a look at today down there. Don't forget, friends, keep on improving, and we'll keep on giving you solutions to ignite your power.